Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So today we're going to be checking out a new way to get cash back on items you're already going to purchase. So this new way is called Aisle Cashback. And if you haven't heard of it before, don't worry. I didn't hear about it till just recently. I just signed up like 2 days ago. So we're going to kind of explore this together and see how it works. But it looks super simple and really easy on how to get more cash back, but it's not going to take a whole bunch of memory on your phone because it's not a rebate app. So that's the one thing I'm pretty excited about. Okay, so since this is not a traditional rebate app, you're actually going to sign up online. So either through your phone or, get a traditional computer, you're going to go to textaisle.com. That's textaisle.com. I'm actually going to link it in the description box below. So if that's easier for you to just click the link as opposed to typing it all out. Let me show you what you need to do in order to sign up. So once you get to textaisle.com, either online on your phone or on a traditional computer, you're going to see a screen very similar to this where you have aisle up in the left-hand corner. I'm going to scroll down and show you a little bit more about this cashback offers here from Aisle, but turn your grocery receipts into cash back. Now, the way you're going to get paid is through Venmo. Now, if you don't have a Venmo account already, I recommend that you go ahead and set one up before you actually load Aisle, because your Venmo account will need to be connected to your phone number that you're going to put in. So it's very important that they do connect so you can get your money back. Now, Venmo is just like PayPal. The only thing is Venmo doesn't give you a bunch of charges to use the app, which is great. It's a way to exchange money between friends, and it doesn't cost you any extra to do that. So we're going to scroll down a little bit. Before I hit the get started and show you what to do, I wanted to show you everything it says on here. So here are some of the places that accept this: Stop and Shop, Instacart, Whole Foods Market, and Wegmans. And here's how it works. First, you're going to create an account. Then step 2 is you're going to go to the grocery store. And step 3, you'll send a picture of your receipt. And finally, step 4, you're going to get cash rewards with your Venmo account. All right, so that sounds fantastic, super easy, and so forth. So we're going to hit the Get Started button. So it's going to ask you 4 questions, and basically you're going to just be texting back and forth. The first question is very simple. What is your first name? Now, I already created an account with my real account. I'm just going to make up a fun name. None of this means anything, but I'm going to say Bob here is our first name. Then what is your last name? We're going to say Smith because that's a typical last name, right? And then you need to give a phone number. Now, whatever phone number you give, you want to make sure it's connected to your Venmo account. Now, I am just going to make up a phone number. I'm literally just pulling numbers out of the air, so don't try to actually call this phone number, okay? All right, so I'm giving them this phone number here. And the last thing they're going to ask is, what is your main grocery store? Now, you can put anything in here. It accepts it from any grocery store. Walmart, Kroger, all of those places would work just fine. I'm going to put down Kroger. And then the last thing it's going to ask you to do is to pick out a day of the week that you would prefer to be notified. So I think I'd put Monday for mine. I don't really know if it matters. And then it finally asks if you have any questions. And so you can put down, you can click one of those if you have a question. What stores are accepted? How do I get cash back? Or no, I'm good. And then it's going to send you a text after you have completed this. So once you have filled out all that information, in a few minutes, you'll have a text from them. And this is what I got. Welcome to the club, Shana. This is where you can send your grocery receipts and puppy pics. Here's our brand X cashback list. And of course, I'll click that link in just a second. Now, it is an extra long one, so I'm going to open it up here. New friend bonus alert. Try 2 of our brands on your first receipt and you get an extra $5. So that's one thing. I'm going to make sure I grab 2 brands for my first receipt so I can grab an extra $5. Then also please watch this hysterical video. Tiffin reads the funniest aisle text. Okay, so you can click that and watch that video. We're not going to do that on here. And of course, you want to save this to your contact cards so that way you know when it pops up that it is from Aisle. Okay, now I actually did this yesterday, and they've already have sent me a second text asking me to submit my receipt. Adele be like, hello, it's me, just wondering when you'd like to submit your first receipt. So we're going to do that in just a few minutes. Now, what I wanted to show you, I'm going to click this link up here for the cashback offers so you can see what's included. It's a link, so it's going to take you online, and you can view all of the cashback offers. Now, our VIP cashback list, the program rules. No expiration date on offers, but receipts cannot be older than 3 days. Offers reset 7 days after purchased, so you possibly can purchase some of these items again, which is great. You can buy them from any store. Once the brands are not on the list, they are gone. So if you're in store and you purchase something and then it disappears before you get an opportunity to submit the receipt, you're out of luck. And if you have any more questions, of course, you have the question and answer page there. And don't have an Aisle account, and then you can get started. I'm not sure how you can get to that without already having an Aisle account. Online offers must use the URL listed below to get credit, okay? And you've got some quick links there. Now, here are the items that are currently available. Of course, depending on when you're watching this video, you may have other items associated. Okay, let's scroll slowly through what is being offered here. Of course, this is at the time of my recording, that these are the items. Of course, if you're watching this at a later date, there may be other items included. So the one thing I've done is I've started doing some Kroger matchups, and I've started including the aisle rebates, and these are some pretty decent rebates. So I'm pretty excited about them. I'm probably going to go to Kroger first to do my first rebates. So you might see a couple items second time depending on them being under what category. All right, we've got the munchies and those types of things. I was trying to show you one that I'm probably going to be doing at Kroger. The Barnana here for $1, it says you get 3 per customer. I know that right now Barnanas are $3 each. You get $1.50 back from Ibotta, $1.50 back from Kroger Cashback, making it free. And then this $1 back from Barnana is going to be $1 moneymaker. So I'm probably going to grab 3 of those the next time I go to the store. We also have the Partake Foods, cashback $2 per box. Right now, they're on sale at Kroger for $3.99. You get $1 back from Ibotta, $1 back from Kroger Cashback, and $2 per box, up to 2 per customer from Aisle here, making those completely free. So those are 2 items I'm probably going to do at Kroger. Now, I'm not going to scan through all of these. Of course, Love Corn currently is also going to be free with the Ibotta, Kroger Cashback, and Aisle rebates. It's so cool that we can stack these rebates. I'm really excited about that. So anyway, I'm not going to go through all of these. So here is how you can learn about what rebates are available to you. Now that I'm back from the store, we're going to submit our receipt. So first things first, I'm going to be taking a picture here. Ooh. Try not to do, I'm on a basket here. Try to get it all in there. Hopefully they can see all of it. We're going to attempt this. All right, now we're going to move into the text. And we're going to load our first receipt. We'll see how this works out.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, we are back now, and it has actually been a couple days since I submitted my receipt, but I wanted to go over everything. So as you can see, there's my receipt submitted on my really dirty laundry basket there. Sorry about that. Within, a couple of minutes, I did get a text back that said deli counters at supermarkets be like, pick your ticket and we'll text you when it's your turn, LOL. All right, so that's kind of cute. That happened a few minutes after I had submitted it. And then the next day, it hadn't even been 24 hours, I got another text from them saying, "Hey, Shana, TYSM for using Aisle. Thank you so much for using Aisle. Hitting you with these rewards, $4 from Partake Foods, which was perfect. $1.50 from Rising Brew, which was great. $3 from C4, perfect. $3 from Barnana, perfect. $5 from us because of the bonus that I got, and then $3 from Pipcorn. So all of that was correct. I got $19.50, and I got this text, and within 20 minutes, I had the money in my Vimo account, which was awesome. So I texted them back because I was missing $1 from the Love Corn, and I do have the whole haul on video. I will link it in the description box for you if you want to check it out. Even if it's an old video for you and it's something you can't get, you might want to go ahead and see how I put that whole deal together. I had a huge freebie. Anyway, so it says, I wrote back, "Thanks. I also purchased a Love Corn, but it is missing from this list." And I did that about, within less than an hour from when I got the original text, because I realized something was missing. I knew there was $1 missing. I was expecting $20.50 back. So, I waited, and it was about another day. It was the next day that I received, "LFG Shana, $1 from Love Corn is on the way." And then within 20 more minutes, I had another $1 added to my Vimo account. Now, LFG, I had to look that up because I didn't know what it was. It's not the most appropriate what it stands for. The F stands for the F word. So anyway, I'm not going to tell you what that means, but I had to look it up because I was like, oh, what does that mean? And I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe a company wrote that, but whatever. Anyway, it was so easy to use, and I'm so glad that they actually left an item off because I was able to show you what to do if for some reason you don't get all of your items back. So if it's missing something, you just text them back what it's missing and they will take care of it. Again, it does take roughly a little less than a day for them to do this. And now this is a fairly new company, so as they keep adding customers, it may end up taking longer, depending on, how many people are submitting things. And so again, it was very reasonable, but it's not like Ibotta where you almost immediately get it put into your account, because I find that happens quite often. Is I'll submit something at the store, and by the time I'm home, I've already got that money loaded. So the aisle takes a little bit longer, and obviously being a new company, there's probably kinks that need to be worked out, but I felt that it was really super easy to use. It's in my Vimo account. I can then move it over to whatever I need. So I'm super excited. If you like this video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try out Aisle, and have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.